Good morning, my dear students. This is your English period. Good morning, my dear students. Today, your topic is multi-consonants. Your topic is multi-consonants. Before I start, first I will tell you what is consonants. Consonants क्या होते हैं? Except of vowels in alphabets, all the letters will be your consonants. आपके अल्फ़ाबेट्स में वाउल्स के अलावा तमाम लेटर्स आपके कॉन्सोनेंट्स होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बी, डी, एफ एंड सो ऑन. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू योर टॉपिक, मल्टी कॉन्सोनेंट्स. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मल्टी कॉन्सोनेंट्स? मल्टी कॉन्सोनेंट्स का क्या मतलब होता है? माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स मीन in a blend two or more consonants are blended together but each sound is heard. जब आप मल्टी कॉन्सोनेंट में टू साउंड्स को, टू कॉन्सोनेंट्स लेटर्स को ब्लेंड करते हो बट दे विल मेक सेपरेट साउंड. जब आपको ब्लेंड करते हो तो उनकी हर लेटर की साउंड आपको सुनाई देती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड योर मल्टी कॉन्सोनेंट्स. For example, I am going to write here B, B, then I will write L, L, B, B, L, L. When I blend these consonants, then it will call blue. BL sounds blue. यहाँ पे आपने बी बू की भी साउंड आपको आवाज आ रही है और एल लू की भी, ब्लू. द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज सी साउंड्स ख, देन आई विल जॉइन इट टू द आर साउंड्स रू. सी आर साउंड्स ख. Very good. Now when I blend these letters, these consonants, CR sounds kru, sikh, ar, kru. Okay, my dear student, the next example is C sounds k, then H sounds h, sikh, h, h. But when we blend these consonants, it will make another sound. जब हम इन दो consonants की sound को blend करेंगे तो ये एक अलग sound बनाएगी and it will ch sound ch, ch sound ch. I am going to write in Urdu ताकि आपको इसको pronounce करना थोड़ा सा easy हो जाए. ch sound ch. Okay, the next example which is difficult to learn, so I have to mention it here. The next consonants are W sounds woo and H sounds h. Like this, when you blend these consonants here, WH, when you blend here, so it will make a sound woo. It will make a sound woo. Okay, the next sound which is I am going to teach you, that is T sounds t. And when you join this consonant with the H, h. So my dear students, it will make a lighter sound and that is th. When you blend these two consonants, t, th, h, h. So when you blend these consonants, जब आप इन दो consonants को आपस में blend करोगे, so it will make another sound and that is th, th. And it is called the lighter sound. Okay? So these are some of examples of blending sound. How can you blend two consonants? My dear students, this is your phonics workbook prep and we will read page number 18. Your topic is multi-consonants chart. Multi-consonants chart. So, come and read with me. BL, blue. Blue ox, blocks. BR, blue. Bruette, bread. CH, cherries, cherries. CL, clock, clock. CR, crown, crown. DR, drum, FL, flag, flag. FR, frog, frog. GL, gloves, gloves. GR, grass, grass. PL, plate, plate. PR, pray. Okay, student, moving to the next row. And the first sound is SH. SH, shoe. SH, shoe. Shoe. SK, skunk. SL, sled. SN, snow. SM, smell. SP, spider. ST, stew or straw. SW, swing. TH, thumb. My dear students, here TH has a lighter sound which is th. But sometimes TH has a harder sound like the. Here some words which have the sound like the, this, the, that, the. Got it? Okay, the next sound is TR, true. Tree. TW, twig. WH, whale. My dear students, you have to practice these consonants, multi-consonant charts at home and make yourself better. In this way, you can read any difficult word. All the very best.